This is delicious. I can't really even tell that it's plant-based.
Hey guys, so I have 3 new meals that is going to help with hair growth, weight loss, gut health, clearer skin, and because I've been seeing a nutritionist, she's helped me so much and I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I've been learning. To start off with breakfast, I took some onions and sauteed them in a pan with some avocado oil. I'm taking pasture-raised brown eggs because these have so much more nutrients than your regular eggs, but they're going to be really rich in protein that's going to help with maintaining your muscle and also helping with that hair growth. I took some organic spinach, rinsed it off, and I'm adding that to the onions, and then I'm just seasoning that with some garlic salt and some pepper, and then I put a little bit more of avocado oil in there. And then I add the tomato on top. It's very simple, but like one of my favorite things that I've been making. And then in that same pan, I'm just scrambling some eggs, and you can mix this all together, but I like to eat it separately, but that's gonna be my breakfast. Now for lunch, I was craving something a little sweet, so I made some white quinoa. I added some cinnamon sugar in there and some almond milk. Now the almond milk I use is called milk, which I get from Whole Foods, but doesn't have any of the extra garbage that a lot of plant-based milks have. It's just pure almond milk, and then they added some vanilla. And then I'm going to add some banana in there, and then some honey, blanched peanut butter, and I put a little salt on the peanut butter because the one I get doesn't have any added salt. And then I add some walnuts, and then just for a little extra special treat, I take a dark chocolate peanut butter cup from Trader Joe's, add that to my bowl as well, and then I'll top it off with some chia seeds. And yeah, this is really filling and delicious if you are craving something sweet. So dinner I was very excited to make because this is going to be 100% plant-based spaghetti. I started off with making some lentils for the first time and they came out really good. I just seasoned it with Lori seasoning salt, white pepper, and a couple other things. And then I soaked some walnuts in hot boiling water for about 20 minutes. Set that aside and I started chopping up my vegetables. I did some white onion and I did about 5 small tomatoes, and then once my walnuts finished soaking, I put them in the blender just to help create more of a meaty like texture. And then to a pan I added some avocado oil and added my onions, and I also added some garlic, and then I put my tomato in there as well and also added the walnuts, and I added some seasonings. You can add whatever seasonings you prefer to taste. I did Lori's seasoning salt again and a couple of other things that I can't remember, unfortunately. And then I let that sit for a little bit, and then I started adding some of the lentils, and then I put bone broth in there, which helped immensely with creating some delicious flavors. Then I let that sit for a little bit for the flavors to all blend together. I added some tomato sauce. Unfortunately, I had one where I didn't love the ingredients, but if you go to Whole Foods, they have their tomato sauce, which is very clean. And then I added a little parsley, which I could have left out because it wasn't super fresh, but I just let all the flavors marinate for a little bit longer. And then I added this chickpea pasta into a boiling pot of water. And then once that was all finished cooking, I added my pasta sauce on top.
I'm really excited to try this one. This is delicious. I can't really even tell that it's plant-based. The walnuts, they have more of a meaty texture than when I make them for my tacos. The only thing I'm not a fan of is the parsley because it's not super fresh. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more of these, and until the next one.